Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and let me just tell you, I hope you don't have socks on because I'm going to knock them off. Are you ready? Because I went nuts. So when I was designing the cozy fireplace, I'm like, well, it needs this, it needs this, it needs this. Well, I want this, I want this, I want this. It's more of a I want this than a I need this, but it is everything. So here we go. Here are the add-ons. And of course you get some words. So stay warm and cozy, warmest wishes on your special day. Let's gather and give thanks for Thanksgiving. Cheers to a cozy, delightful birthday. Some big holly, but and Christmas lights and a cute little wreath and some stockings. But I've also added everyday items so you can have your fireplace in May if you want, right? So there's a cute little picture frame, there's some books, there's some candles, there's a pot and some sprigs of just greenery. So it's all up to you. And I can't wait to show you the samples the design team did because they went crazy and I love them. Now, yes, of course, there are dies that match it all, right? Inside dies, outside dies, everything kind of dies. Now, just a heads up on some of the smaller dies, you're probably better off just using the die pieces instead of trying to line the stamp and the die up together when they're that tiny. Just a thought. Also, I wanted a banner because every fireplace mantle needs a banner. Am I right? And so what I did was I created a banner with lots of different letters and words that the letters are already spaced for you. So you're not going to do every letter individually. Now, we do have a stamp set if you want to get that. That's just this alphabet separately. Yeah, but oh, that'd be crazy. Here we go. So it says winter wishes, thanks, welcome, birthday, holiday, Christmas, couple little icons at the bottom. How fun, right? But it's only one line really, technically, right? Well, the die set, are you ready for this? The die set has the banner, but it also has these awesome words. So it says Merry, and then you put Christmas. It says warm, and then you do wishes. Happy, and then you put birthday. Give, and then you do thanks. Lots of options. And when you see the samples, you guys, I had so much fun doing this one. This was one of the ones where I'm like, like that. I mean, that's how I was when I was designing it. Then, because that fireplace is so amazingly awesome, I really wanted a stencil to go with it. Because sometimes people don't want to cut pieces and put them together or whatever. Boom, stencil. You're going to literally, there's a stencil for the wreath, there's a stencil for the fireplace, for the fire. So you are going to be breezing through all those cards with this stencil. Last but not least, and all of these items are in the bundle, by the way. If you get that bundle, it's an extra discount, which, woohoo! Here we go. This one, and I know it doesn't look like anything. Whenever I show you the die words, I know it doesn't look like anything. But this says, friends are family we choose. Now, the cool thing about this one, you guys, this is an A2 card base. The cool thing about this one is it takes up pretty much the whole enchilada, right? It takes up the whole card front. You put a fun card background on there. Look at that. So cute. Here's another example of it in foil. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. You just add a background to it and you're good to go. I love it. Now, let's look at all of our samples because I'm here to knock your socks off, and I know I'm going to. So here we go. On a 5x7 without using the cozy fireplace, warm wishes with our cute little polar bear. Oh, and he's skating. Is that the cutest thing you ever saw? May your winter be filled with laughter and love. Look at our cute little polar bear. Now, here's an example. Give thanks for Thanksgiving. Isn't that perfect? Let's gather and give thanks. Look at how cute that fireplace is. Nice and brown and toasty and cozy. Here we go. Merry Christmas. Look at that, just using that banner. You guys, I think you're gonna use that banner a lot more than you think. Don't think just cozy fireplace. Think outside the box like this one, where you're gonna use it anywhere and everywhere. Look at that, Christmas blessings. I love that. Then we're gonna look at this one. Warm welcome. See, I told you, just the banners by themselves. Here's another one. Just the banner by itself, and a different Merry Christmas. Isn't that fun? And look at the lights in the background. That is on the add-on set. So cute, right? Ooh, here's another one. Merry Christmas. Isn't that awesome? I love that. Again, here's an embossed background. Merry Christmas. So simple. but adorable. Now, here is one. Remember how I said this fireplace is any time of the year. Warm greetings. Here we go. Here we have that fun little greenery. Here's the photo frame. Now this does have a wreath, but if it didn't have the wreath, boom, now it'd be any time of year, right? Look how cute that is. I absolutely love it. Here's another one. Merry Christmas. Same stamp set, totally 100% different. I love that. Now, all of these ideas, my friends, are in our gallery on our website. So I know I go fast on these, but rest assured, all of these are on our online gallery. Here we go, Winter Wishes with a sneak peek in the background. I've been showing you that one a couple times, I think. Look at this one. It's Halloween time. Cheryl made a Halloween one. I love it. It's almost that time. Oh gosh, look how pretty this one is. Birthday Wishes. And this is warm at the bottom. I love that. Okay, are you ready for this one? This one's cute. So this is our house gatefold. Welcome with that banner. Open it up. Look at that on the inside. Isn't that beautiful? So it goes on the inside or the outside. It's perfect, right? Now here's another one where that word is, wait for it. That word set is on the inside. Isn't that beautiful? What a beautiful card to get. You get it in the mail, you open it up, and it says friends are like family. I mean, friends or family we choose. I love that. I love that. Because you know what? A lot of us do have friends that are really family. I just love that. So beautiful. Now, this one is really fun. Look at how cute this is. This is using the A2 accordion card. And look how awesome this is. Michelle made this. And there's lollipops in here. And there's another lollipop in here. Yummy, yummy. And she used, oh, I took the bow off. And she used that cute little face on there for Jack, faces for Jack. I love it. Isn't that adorable? See how it pops out? I love that. And she made this, like, the background is like more of a cardboard or a card chipboard. So it's nice and sturdy. I love that. I know she sells these at her craft fairs. Let's see. Ooh, make your own background paper. You know how much I love making your own background paper. Look how cute that one is. Happy holidays. And here's another one. Make your own background paper. Absolutely love this. This is also using the reverse corner stitch dot rectangles. My friends, club members, of course you know you're getting the discount on all of these items. Also, the first 24 hours these items are on our website, they're on flash sale. And club members only, we also put up all these items into a bundle where not only do you get the everyday low price, you get the flash sale price, you get an extra discount for doing the bundle, and you get your club discount. How many discounts was that? That was like 40, right? But yeah, go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. That's the first 24 hours they're on the website. So make sure you check those out. On the first, we always release brand new items besides our club set. So go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. And if you're not in the club, go join now to get these on an extra discount. I'll see you then. Bye-bye. much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.